Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Internet Guru. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Binance to TradingView. First, open tradingview.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one. It's free and only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, click on Chart from the top menu to open a live chart. At the bottom of the chart, you'll see an option called Trading Panel. Click on it. In the trading panel, you'll see a list of supported brokers and exchanges. Look for Binance and click on Connect. A new window will pop up. Here, log into your Binance account using your credentials. You might be asked to complete 2FA, two-factor authentication for security. After logging in, authorize TradingView to access your Binance account. Don't worry, it's secure and only allows TradingView to place trades on your behalf. That's it. Your Binance account is now connected to TradingView. You can place live trades, manage open positions, and view your portfolio, all directly from your TradingView chart. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. This is another Internet Guru. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.